AI Revolution. Jobs at Risk and Safe Careers by Industry Sector. Welcome to our in-depth analysis of the AI revolution, where we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the workforce sector by sector. Is your job safe from AI? Wondering which industries will be most affected, and where human expertise is still indispensable? Stick around, because in today's video, we'll break down sector-specific jobs that are most vulnerable to AI and automation, the industries that are undergoing massive transformations due to AI, which roles will survive and thrive even as automation spreads, exciting new careers being created by AI across different sectors. Let's discussion the AI revolution for future-proofing career. Manufacturing sector, jobs most at risk. In the manufacturing sector, repetitive tasks and manual labor are prime targets for AI along with robotics. Jobs most likely to disappear include assembly line workers. Automated robots are already handling complex tasks like product assembly, quality checks, and packaging with greater efficiency than humans. Machine operators. AI-driven machines can monitor including adjust settings automatically, reducing the need for human intervention. Quality inspectors. Vision systems powered by AI are increasingly replacing humans in quality assurance tasks. New jobs emerging in manufacturing. AI and robotics maintenance specialists. As automation grows, the need for professionals to maintain and repair robots, also AI systems, is increasing. Data analysts. AI-driven production professionals who can analyze data generated by AI-driven production systems to optimize processes are in high demand. Retail sector, jobs most at risk. The retail industry is undergoing a significant transformation with the rise of e-commerce, AI, and automation. Cashiers. AI-powered self-checkout systems, also fully automated stores like Amazon Go, are reducing the need for human cashiers. Inventory clerks. AI systems can now manage stock levels, restocking, and even forecasting demand more efficiently than humans. Sales associates, in physical stores. With the growth of online shopping including AI chatbots providing customer service, fewer sales associates are needed in brick-and-mortar stores. New jobs emerging in retail. E-commerce platform managers. As online shopping grows, there's a rising demand for experts who can manage e-commerce platforms, optimize customer experiences, as well as ensure smooth operations. AI-powered marketing specialists. AI is transforming how companies market products, creating new roles in managing including optimizing AI-driven marketing campaigns. Transportation and logistics, jobs most at risk. The transportation and logistics sector is rapidly adopting AI technologies, transforming the way goods are transported and delivered. Truck drivers and delivery personnel. Autonomous vehicles, also drones, are on the rise, especially for long-haul trucking as well as last-mile delivery services, putting driving jobs at risk. Warehouse workers. AI including robotics are taking over warehouse tasks like picking, packing, and sorting, reducing the need for human labor. New jobs emerging in transportation. Autonomous vehicle engineers and safety technicians. As autonomous vehicles become more prevalent, experts who can design, maintain, along with ensure the safety of these systems will be critical. Supply chain AI analysts. AI systems need experts who can manage the flow of goods, optimize routes, and improve overall supply chain efficiency. Healthcare sector, jobs most at risk. In the healthcare sector, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics, patient care, and data management. While many jobs are enhanced by AI, some roles are at risk. Medical transcriptionists. AI-powered voice recognition systems can now transcribe doctors' notes, reducing the need for human transcriptionists. Radiologists, for basic scans. AI systems are increasingly capable of reading and interpreting medical scans like X-rays, also MRIs, although human oversight is still needed. New jobs emerging in healthcare. AI healthcare specialists, professionals who can integrate AI systems into healthcare practices, ensuring smooth workflows along with better patient outcomes. Genomic data analysts. As AI gets more involved in personalized medicine as well as genomics, the demand for specialists who can analyze genetic data will grow. Finance sector, jobs most at risk. The finance and banking industry is also being disrupted by AI, especially in areas that rely on data, also routine tasks. Loan officers. AI algorithms can now process as well as approve loans faster than humans, reducing the need for loan officers for routine approvals. Financial analysts, junior roles. AI-powered tools can perform basic analysis, market trend forecasting, along with even portfolio management, putting some junior analyst roles at risk. New jobs emerging in finance. AI-powered investment strategists. As AI systems improve, professionals who understand how to use these tools to optimize investments and manage portfolios will be highly valued. Blockchain and fintech specialists. The rise of AI in finance is also driving growth in blockchain technologies, creating new roles focused on decentralized finance, DeFi, and digital currencies. Education sector, jobs most at risk. In the education sector, AI and digital platforms are transforming learning, especially in terms of delivery. Teaching assistants, for basic tasks. AI-powered platforms like adaptive learning tools are reducing the need for human assistance in certain educational tasks, such as grading, also tutoring. Trainers for routine skills. In corporate training, AI-driven learning platforms are taking over routine as well as repetitive skill-based training. New jobs emerging in education. EdTech platform developers. With the growth of online learning, there's a rising demand for professionals who can create, including manage digital learning platforms. AI-powered learning specialists. Experts who can design personalized learning experiences using AI will be increasingly important as education becomes more technology-driven. Service sector, jobs most at risk. In the service sector, AI and automation are streamlining many customer-facing roles. Customer service representatives. AI chatbots, also virtual assistants, are handling basic customer service inquiries, reducing the need for large customer support teams. Travel agents. Online booking platforms along with AI-based travel planning tools have largely replaced traditional travel agents for basic travel needs. New jobs emerging in service sector. AI customer experience managers. As AI becomes more integrated into customer service, there's a growing need for managers who can oversee AI-human collaboration in improving customer experiences. Virtual assistant trainers. As companies adopt AI virtual assistants, there's a demand for specialists who can train as well as optimize these systems to improve their effectiveness. Agriculture sector, jobs most at risk. Even in agriculture, AI and automation are making an impact. Farm laborers. AI-driven machinery for planting, harvesting, also monitoring crops is reducing the need for manual labor in large-scale farming operations. Agricultural inspectors. AI systems can now monitor crop health, soil quality, as well as even animal welfare more effectively than human inspectors. New jobs emerging in agriculture. Ag-tech engineers. Experts who develop and manage AI-powered farming technologies, such as drones, also automated harvesters, will be in high demand. Sustainability analysts. As the agriculture sector moves toward sustainable practices, AI will help optimize resource use, creating jobs for analysts who can integrate AI with eco-friendly farming. Final thought. The AI revolution is reshaping industries at an unprecedented pace. While some jobs are at risk, many new opportunities are emerging in every sector. The key is to adapt, upskill, and embrace the changes AI brings. The future belongs to those who can blend human creativity with the power of AI. Thank you for listening. For more information related to career path, job role, or description, follow our channel Career Quest.